are changing this circular column in the second floor, which is our reference story, to square columns in our basement floor. So we did a general arrangement drawing in the second story. However, this now acts as our reference story for other members. So we are going back to story 1, whereby we actually have now a square column. So that's what we want to do. Remember, this is a 32-story building, and we are just trying to do its modeling, and it is massive and time consuming. So let me just show you now how you want to change after we did this second floor. So this is the reference frame just saying this is the story 2 that we have here. This is the story 2. Now we are just modeling. If you see these columns here on story 2, they are circular, but on the ground floor they are square. So that's what we are working on. So we just go back to our basement, and we proceed. Let's go to plan view. We just proceed editing our ground floor plan, and now actually changing the circular columns into square columns. Most of them are circular apart from this column here. So to change it into circular, you don't just have to right click. This is Prota 2021, which does not have the matte property option like Prota 2026. So just do it manually. Just right click here, you come to property. Under property, you just come to section here. Under section, you just do this, which you simply give your dimension as 900 by 900. Then just click OK. Then you click update here. So the good thing that will come exactly where that column was with the right eccentricity. So that's the good thing about that. That's the only circular column, as you can see from down here. The only circular column we have here on the ground floor is this one, but all the rest are square columns. So let's proceed. So I'll just minimize this and now proceed. I had already worked on most of them. I'm just showing you what's happening. Change that to 900, this one to 900. So I cannot actually show all the parts of this. Some are just forward quickly so that this does not take too long. Such a model is massive and it takes really a lot of time to model it correctly. So this is carding beam. If you are really interested in learning ProtaStructure to advanced level and in a professional manner, kindly subscribe and join our mentorship class, where we teach everything that ProtaStructure entails and structural design. So I think now we have completed that part. So we proceed to the next step, whereby just come back to our plan view and review what we have so far here. So after changing our column, we just try to create this outer boundary, because it's not uniform for the second floor, and this one is not actually very uniform. So we just try to just test. We see if this grid can be this one. Just right click here, just go to repeat dimension, check here and to here, that is 2100. Just come to this one and then right click, come to measure, pick it from here and to this place. It's almost 19 years. That's the grid, I believe. That's 2100. So what we'll do, we have the center. So what we are going to do, we're going to offset that 2100. Let us also check on this. So you can just take a calculator and just say that if from this to that 2100 plus 19, just right click. That's 1993. So you simply subtract 1993 plus minus 2100. That one will be 107. So just right click here, offset this, press F2, write 107. But remember that you want to strike at the center of this grid here. So what's there? So that's 300. So it's 102, 107 plus half of 300 is 150. So add this distance. So this 600, half of 600. We don't need that. That's 257. So the center from edge to this, that's 151.7. So right click this, offset, negative 257. So I believe that's where our wall should be running. And this one is just flashing with this column here up to the corner of this column. So you can still go and try to do it. So we have that ready, that grid, which is actually flashing with this. Just get this grid here, right click, come offset to negative 245. You can see the orientation of this column is not done properly. It should just align with that. So we just simply do just copy, go to rotate column,